The adventure bike world just got more exciting. The new 2026 TVS Apache RTX 300 is here, and it's not just another motorcycle. It's bold, powerful, and built for riders who want freedom on every road. From city streets to rough highways, this machine promises thrill, comfort, and confidence in one sharp-looking package. Bold design that demands attention. The Apache RTX 300 carries a true adventure style. It features a tall windscreen, aggressive LED headlamps, muscular fuel tank, and a strong upright stance. The design feels modern and rugged at the same time. With long travel suspension and high ground clearance, this bike is ready to handle broken roads and weekend touring without stress. Powerful 300cc engine performance. At the heart of the RTX 300 sits a brand new 299cc liquid-cooled engine. It produces around 35 PS of power and approximately 28 Newton-meters of torque. That means quick acceleration, smooth highway cruising, and enough power to overtake with confidence. The 6-speed gearbox ensures smooth shifts, while the refined engine keeps vibrations low even at higher speeds. Comfort meets control. This bike is designed for long rides. The wide handlebar gives better control, the upright seating position reduces back strain, and the comfortable split seat supports both rider and passenger. Dual-channel ABS adds safety, and the strong braking system provides sharp stopping power when needed. The suspension setup absorbs bumps easily, making rough roads feel manageable. Smart features for modern riders. The 2026 RTX 300 includes a fully digital TFT display with smartphone connectivity. Riders can access navigation, call alerts, ride data, and more. LED lighting all-round improves visibility and adds premium appeal. This bike blends technology with adventure perfectly. Mileage and value. Expected mileage is around 30 to 35 miles per gallon, which is impressive for a 300cc adventure bike. Pricing is expected to stay competitive, making it a strong rival against bikes in the same segment. For riders who want performance without overspending, this machine offers real value. Final thoughts. The 2026 TVS Apache RTX 300 is built for dreamers, explorers, and everyday riders who want more from their motorcycle. It's powerful, stylish, comfortable, and packed with smart features. If you're ready to upgrade your ride and chase new horizons, this bike might be the adventure partner you've been waiting for.